Kids, you know what time it is? That's right, it's bath time. Let's get in the tub and get squeaky clean. Ready? Here we go.
The water's getting warm, the bubbles start to grow. It's time to hop into the tub and put on a splashy show. Grab your rubber ducky, grab your boat and whale. We're gonna have the best bath ever, let me tell you the tale. Splish, splash, splish, splash, bath time fun. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, we're cleaning everyone. Splish, splash, splish, splash, bubbles everywhere. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, let's wash away each care. First we wash our hands, wash, wash, wash. Fingers front and back, soapy suds between each one. We've got the cleaning knack. Now we wash our arms, scrub, scrub, scrub. Up and down they go. Left arm, right arm, round and round. We're putting on a show. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Bath time fun. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, we're cleaning everyone. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Bubbles everywhere. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, let's wash away each care. Now let's wash our tummy, round and round. Belly button too. Circle, circle, tickle, tickle. Peekaboo, I see you. Time to wash our legs, swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Knees and shins and thighs. Soapy legs or slippery legs, oh what a fun surprise. Don't forget our feet, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Every little toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes here. 5 more down below. 10 little toes are squeaky clean. They're happy as can be. Splashing in the water now, as happy as the sea. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Bath time fun. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, we're cleaning everyone. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Bubbles everywhere. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, let's wash away each care. Okay, kids, now it's time for the bubble game. Can you catch a bubble? Hop. Can you catch another? Hop, hop. Throw some bubbles in the air. Whoosh. Look at them floating up, 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 up.
That was fun.
But wait, we're not done yet. Now it's time for shampoo. Squirt, squirt, squirt. A little on the top. Rub it, scrub it, lather up. Don't you ever stop. Scrub it to the left, scrub it to the right. Make a silly mohawk now, what a funny sight. Time to rinse it out now. Water on your head. Close your eyes and tilt way back, just like the Ducky said. All the soap is going down, dripping to the drain. Now your hair is fresh and clean, like sunshine after rain. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Bath time fun. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, we're cleaning everyone. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Bubbles everywhere. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub, let's wash away each care. Now we wash our face, gentle, gentle, gentle. Cheeks and chin and nose. Forehead, ears, and behind them too. That's how the clean face goes. Wash around your neck, round and round. Don't forget your back. Mommy, daddy, help me please, I can't quite reach all that. Rubber ducky says, great job. The whale says, looking good. The little boat sails round the tub. You cleaned up like you should. The bubbles start to fade away, the water's getting cool. But wasn't that the bestest bath? Bath time really rules. Now let's do the bath time shake. Shake your hands, shake your feet, shake your whole body. Free! Shake your hands, yeah, shake, shake your feet, shake your feet, shake your whole body. Free!
Okay, now it's time to get out. Ready?
Step out of the tubby now. Careful, careful, whoa, whoa. Grab a fluffy towel. Wrap it all around you tight, like a cozy little owl. Dry your arms and dry your legs, dry your tummy too. Dry your hair and dry your back. Look at the brand new you. Put on your pajamas now. Sip, sip, sip. Cozy, warm and snug. You smell so fresh, you look so clean. Come here and get a hug. You did it, kid, I'm proud of you. From your head down to your toes. You're the cleanest kid in town. And
belly button is so cold to hell.
Sometime tomorrow,
Okay, it's a deal.
that time is the best time to Matt, clean little super spies.